वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और अपनी सेहत एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। आई एम गुड नाउ, थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर liking and subscribing my channel Neerms Beauty. I really appreciate that. So today's video is about how to do a blow dry like a salon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use here this brush and I'm gonna use the paddle brush. So I'm gonna use the bigger one and small one for the front. And before starting them, I'm gonna use the GHD heat protecting spray, so don't forget to use this. So remember, if you want to get a blow dry, you will not get 100% results at home, but blow dry which I'm going to show you today can give you about 60 to 70%. You wash your hair and dry them about, your hair should be about 70% dry, like they should be a wee bit moist in your hair so you can get a good result. So my hair are dry from front and they are quite wet at the end, so I'm going to dry them like up till 60 or 70%. Are not fully dry, there's still a bit moist in my hair, but I'm just gonna start it now. Your hair should not be soaking wet, like so there should be like this. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do this heat protecting spray on your hair. Okay, then we're gonna part our hair like this, and then I'll lift up almost half from my upper ear, and then I'm gonna tie them up the hair. So we're gonna work on these here first. If you don't have these paddle brush, you can do a blow dry with, actually I'm gonna start with this. ठीक है, आप स्टार्ट में इसके साथ करें और फिर उसके बाद जो है वो उस दूसरे में। And then you're gonna wrap around here like this and use a hair dryer like this. Make sure you take center section.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy, and silently it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa.
Another section. Wrap your hair around.
No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature and it haunts me somewhere much.
You can see the difference already in between this and this here and this here. Okay, again I'm just gonna wrap all the hair around. Now I'm gonna do the right side here. So again, take half section.
when you finally feel like giving
So we're
up.
gonna work on this field.
No luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed.
You can see the difference in both.
Don't give a fuck, can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had
I'm gonna brush them fast, then wrap it.
I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me.
You just need a lot of practice and that's it.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuff under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up much deeper.
It's hard to do at the back, but try as much as you can. You can't do it 100% because you can't see at the back of your hair, but do it as much as you can.
It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I got nightmares in my head, I feel
So we're gonna use the small paddle brush.
until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space. no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. So can't stay sober, looking.
For front part, you can use small paddle brush, and for back part, you can use it's up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. I usually use small for my front and this big one for the back.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's inside for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's inside for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
So you're going to do with the previous, with the back here, you just do this. Wrap it around, tuck it in the brush and again, take a small section, tuck them in like this.
Thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's inside for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's inside for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy, and silently it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuff under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's inside for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's inside for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up, oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck, I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck, can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough, gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me.
You can see there's so much volume with the blow dry, which you can get at home.
sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
So see, you can get 60 or 70% at home. I've tried to do it all like 100%, but you can get it done 60 to 70% at home. Only if you try. If you don't try, you won't be able to do it. So always keep trying and see the results. See, blow dry hair are much better than straightening the hair. You can get so much volume in there, as you could see. You can put spray on and you leave it like this. So if you have got French time, like if you have got this here, so you just so here are the results for blow dry at home. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you next time in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Neerms Beauty Hub, and I'll see you next time. Take care.